As one of 50/50 joint venture in China, Dongfeng Cummins Engine Company, DCEC, was established in the year of 1996, producing Cummins B, C, D, L, Z series mechanical and electronic engines, covering 3.9 to 13 liters engines with the power from 20 to 600 kilowatts. DCEC engines are widely used in energy, maritime, automotive, construction machinery, water pump set, and railways applications. DCEC generator drive engines power cover from 19 kilowatts to 562 kilowatts. Standard can reach up to EU Stage 3.
Hi everyone, this is Jasper from SinoGen. In this video, I will introduce Dongfeng Cummins 6BT series generator drive engine. Dongfeng Cummins 6BT5.9 series generator drive engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine. The displacement is 5.9 liters. The overall dimensions of Dongfeng Cummins 6BT5.9 series generator drive engine is about 1015 mm by 725 mm by 990 mm, and the net weight is about 411 kilograms. The overall dimensions of Dongfeng Cummins 6BT series generator drive engine power pack is about 1485 mm by 785 mm by 1145 mm, and the net weight is about 586 kg. Dongfeng Cummins 6BT 5.9 series generator drive engine comes with BYC fuel pump and offering both mechanical and electric governor for customers to choose from. Dongfeng Cummins 6BT 5.9 series generator drive engine equipped with turbocharger and offering different models with options of water-to-air intercooler and air-to-air intercooler. When running at 1500 RPM, the rated engine prime power range covers from 86 kW to 140 kW, which can drive the generator set from 75 kW to 120 kW at 50 Hz frequency. When running at 1800 RPM, the rated engine prime power range covers from 100 kW to 150 kW, which can drive a generator set from 84 kW to 128 kW at 60 Hz frequency. All of Dongfeng Cummins generator drive engine comes with standard fleet guard air intake system, Cummins muffler system, and the original Cummins 50 degrees copper radiator. Dongfeng Cummins authorized all of GOEMs to use standard design powered by Cummins logo on their generator set, in condition that using genuine brand new generator drive engine from Dongfeng Cummins. The standard Dongfeng Cummins 6BT 5.9 series generator drive engine comes with following accessories: fuel pump, oil filter, cooling fan, flywheel housing, flywheel, turbocharger, starter motor, charging alternator, air filter. Due to lots of generator sets are using as standby power, and other generator set also has very stable working condition, which the quality problems can be easily hidden. So there are lots of copy and rebuilt Cummins generator drive engine in the international market. Customers should check and confirm carefully before you buy Cummins generator drive engine or complete generator set powered by Dongfeng Cummins engine. And the most important thing is choose the reliable, official authorized supplier or manufacturer. For more details about how to identify the genuine Dongfeng Cummins engine, you are welcome to contact SinoGen to get relevant support.
SinoGen provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, engine control panel, air filter, muffler, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, SinoGen also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as oil pan type, fan position, fan type, disc position, flywheel and flywheel housing size, etc. We can also provide explosion-proof modification for oil and gas industry customized requirements, and we have capability to satisfy most of customized requirements on our engine and engine power pack.
As part of EMAC, SinoGen Power Technology Limited was established in 2013, focusing on diesel generator set manufacturing. Owns a 20,000 square meter area modern high automatic plant. Our factory passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSAS I8001, as well as CE certificate. We are not only a generator set manufacturer, but also a complete energy solution provider. Our energy product covers open type generator, silence type generator, super silence type generator, medium voltage generator set, synchronizing cabinet, mobile chair generator set, mobile power supply truck, and generator power station. As generator set OEM packager of the world-class engine and alternator brand, SinoGen's product has been widely used in more than 50 countries and regions.
Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact SinoGen at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.sino-gen.com.